Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
How much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to produce? First question is 20 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride. Okay, we can do that. What is the ionic form of calcium in calcium chloride? You know it, right? It is Ca2 plus, that you must know. Okay. Now from Ca2 plus, what is forming? Ca is forming, correct? So 2 plus become, see here you can see 2 plus charge becomes 0. So how many electrons are involved? Of course 2 electrons, right? That you must know. Now what is the meaning of this chemical equation in terms of mole? We can read this like this. 1 mole, okay, 1 mole of Ca2 plus combine with what? 2 mole of electron, 2 mole of electron to give 1 mole of calcium metal, right? Listen carefully, okay? Here how many moles of electron? 2 moles of electron. And here how many mole of calcium? It is 1 mole of calcium, right? So what is the mass of 1 mole of calcium? 1 mole of calcium mass will be molar mass, right? What is molar mass of calcium? 40, correct? 40, right? Now, what is the charge of 1 mole of electron in Faraday? It is 1 Faraday. That you must know. Very important hint, okay? Charge of 1 mole of electron, by definition it is Faraday. By definition, Faraday is the charge of 1 mole of electron. Now here how many moles we have? 2 Faraday, right? 2 Faraday of charge is giving 40 gram of calcium, clear? 2 Faraday of charge is giving 40 gram of calcium. Now as per the question, how much gram is there? Only 20 gram. You have to find how much Faraday is required, correct, right? Cross multiply and find x. So what is that? 20 into 2f is equal to 40 into x, correct, right? 40 into x. So what is that? See, you have to find x, right? Okay, find x. X is equal to, see, 0, 0 cut. So it will be like 4 by 4 Faraday. So what is that? 1f. Clear, right? 4 you can cut, you'll be getting 1f. Clear? Now what is the second question? 40 gram of aluminium from molten Al₂O₃. See, first is you have to find the oxidation state of aluminium in Al₂O₃. See, for that purpose you can put x here. Oxygen, you know, it is always -2. And altogether it is what? It's a neutral molecule, so 0. So 2x plus 3 into -2 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to plus 3. Clear? So Al₂O₃ means ionic form is what? Al plus 3. And what you are getting? You are getting aluminium. So what is the change of the charge? From plus 3 to 0. So you have to add how many electron? Of course, 3 electron, right? On the basis of mole, we can explain the stoichiometry of this chemical equation. So what is that? We can say like here 1 mole of Al3 plus is there, 3 mole of electron is combining, and you are getting 1 mole of aluminium, right? Now see, for 1 mole of aluminium you must know the molar mass by hearted value, okay? 27 gram. Now what is the charge of 1 mole of electron? It is 1 farad. So for 3 mole, here 3 mole is there. So what is that? 3f. As per the question, how much aluminium is getting deposited? See, it is 40, right? You have to find x. Cross multiply and find the x. So what is that? 40 into 3 is equal to 27 into x. Okay. So what is that? See, you will be getting like x is equal to 40 into 3 by 27. Your answer will be in farad, okay? So on dividing, see, you can cut this, it become 9, okay? 40 by 9 is 4.4 Faraday. Clear? Easy, very easy, right?